Welcome into Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Catherine Phillips, alongside award-winning chef Travis Johnson, Executive Culinary Director of Seminole Dining here at FSU. He's going to walk us through a delicious game day recipe using natural gas. Chef, we have a good one for all the vegetarians today.
We
really
do.
For anyone.
Yeah, and it does have a lot of flavor, and it has a great deal of protein in it as well.
Okay.
But we put together a vegetarian burger today using some grains and legumes, things that are very nutritious and healthy for you, but can still taste good. Because I think sometimes people think that healthy food doesn't taste that good, but we'll debunk that myth today. So we are using all fresh ingredients. We start out with a wild rice blend that we work with, our garbanzo beans, and a mixture of 5 different types of lentils.
Okay.
We take the garbanzo beans and our lentils and we put them in a food processor, and we go ahead and blend those together. While those are blending, we add in some fresh aromatics. So we're looking at our parsley, a little bit of green onion, some fresh lime, some spinach, just to give it some body and a little bit more, more nutrients that we're looking for. And as that comes out of the processor, we end up with our patty mixture here.
Okay.
And so from this, we can make our patties that we want to turn into our burgers. Doesn't it have good color to it?
It does. It looks very pretty.
And it smells good. It has those, again, the fresh herbs and aromatics to them. So just like you would be putting together the hamburger patties, you'd be putting this beautiful lentil burger together. Ready to go. I have my skillet on. Drop it on and start searing that. You could season it, again, with a little salt and pepper or whatever you like. Okay. And while this is cooking, we'll look at how we're going to complement this burger. So we have a house-made brioche bun. It's something we make here on campus.
Wow.
And we'll toast this bun. And while the bun is toasting and that burger's cooking, we've prepared another salad. And this is what we call our garnet and gold salad. Okay. But it's a mixture of our teardrop tomatoes, fresh herbs and aromatics, and a little bit of oil. It'll complement it really well. All right, we got our toasted brioche bun.
And you have that on natural gas over there. How does that help you in the kitchen?
I like using the natural gas when it comes to firing up burgers or stuff, because especially if I'm complementing it with cast iron or any cookery equipment, because I can control the heat. And like for right now, for this particular burger, given that it's lean and doesn't have a lot of fats to it, I want to cook that kind of on high, get a good sear to it, and then we can take this and we can finish it in the oven. Okay. All right, so we have our green burger, and now let's finish this off. So I have my bun. We have our brioche bun. Add the burger. That looks really good. And then let's add a little bit of lime juice just to the top to give us a little bit more flavor. Squeeze some fresh lime over top. And then we'll put that garnet and gold salad.
Garnet and gold on there.
That look beautiful.
That looks
Top so this off. Should we try it?
Let's do it.
Healthy food does taste good.
Healthy food does taste good. You showed everyone. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can incorporate natural gas at home, in your business, or at your next tailgate event, go to peoplesgas.com/cooking.